2004 Dodge Cummins 5.9. So I noticed there was no videos on YouTube how to change the block heater, which is right there. So what you have to do is you have to remove your airbox, your shroud, and yeah, then you could use a what is it, 1/8 key, wrench socket, and you could take it out. My element was burned. I have a brand new one over there, and also you have the plug, which is right there, which also screwed on. Okay, so after you remove your old one, put your new one back in there, and you just plug up your wiring, plug it in there, you screw this up, and that's it.